Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service and inspection lights on this 2022 VW T-Cross. Now we're using the buttons up here. I didn't find a video already in existence to do this. They all seem to have one button in the middle or a completely digital dash, and the procedure is different for this vehicle, so I thought it'd be handy to show some of you how to do it. Now what you're going to do first is hold that button down. I'm going to have to put the phone down when I do this, but we're going to hold that in, the switch the ignition on. So hold that in, ignition on, you come up with reset all change service, and we want to press that button on the right hand side. Then we're going to press the left hand button again, and you come back to that screen. Okay, so that's the all change reset. Now what we want to do for the inspection light, we're going to, same procedure really, so we're going to switch the ignition off. We're going to press the button in, switch the ignition on, come up with that screen again, but release, press once to get the interval up for the inspection, and then press that button, and then there you go. Service intervals reset as well. Okay guys, so there you go, we'll just check that now. So go to there, go to service, and you'll see all change service 365 days, inspection 365 days. So simple as that. I hope that's worked for some of you and helped some of you out, and hopefully see you in another video. Thanks for watching.